more original pulse. The carefully chosen humans each had to have the innate neural makeup to accept the vast global composite network, and when that happened, the human was then accepted into the global composite matrix. The potential for a relationship to develop beyond working together was known from the beginning, but the need for the ability to bring extraordinary individuals together was strong. And so it was accepted, developed into functional relationships that went far beyond simply working together, to an awareness of all that each species contributed to a expanded knowledge of all existence, approaching a shared consciousness. The concept was mind-boggling for Jax, and here he was, meeting the first pair of the newest relationship between humans and composites. It was clear that the union between Poe and Rafa was powerful, and that inspired confidence for Jax. From ancient human times, it was known that the most effective workers and warriors were those that loved each other and were often supported by overseers and commanders. On board the decks and pods of Ida were numerous loving relationships of those who worked closely together and kept that dynamic strong outside of their work. Poe was wearing a bodysuit that appeared to be form-fitting, dark green-gray with a flush of pink, a living fabric that had a slight shimmer to it, which was precisely what it was, living composite fabric. Developed to be the active skin of the Terrapus, made to be multifunctional and adaptive, as well as actively structural, it became an integrated part of environment sensing and protection from almost all potential damage, as well as maintaining a comfortable internal environment for the relatively fragile human inside. This also included a type of photosynthesis converting light and moisture into energy on a small scale. This translated very well to clothing for the human crew of the Terrapus. The clothing was actually part of the connection between the two, an osmotic connection, reinforcing the intimate nature that was so essential to their work. They appeared visually to be a matched pair, quite a fashion statement, which added to their already striking presentation. Much more to come. Thank you.